Beyond the beach, Bradenton surprises. Venture east of the Bradenton area and the landscape shifts to untouched natural ecosystems. Here there's a gentle roll to the land and family-owned farms and wineries welcome the public. We even have dancing horses and celebrity bears. Our more than 40 parks cater to active and leisurely pursuits. Let the kids burn off excess energy at the skate park or Olympic-sized pool at GT Bray in Bradenton. Challenge yourself on the ropes course at Bennett Park. Opt for a slower pace. Reconnect with nature and discover inner Florida's untamed beauty. Immerse yourself in the region's history, a story that begins with Native Americans and explorer Hernando de Soto. Wander trails and boardwalks and visit the De Soto National Memorial, which recounts De Soto's 1539 visit to the New World. At Robinson Preserve, bike, hike, or rollerblade miles of paved and unpaved trails along the salt marshes and mangrove-fringed waters of Paraco Bayou. Paddle the 2.5-mile Blue Way Trail connecting the Manatee River to the bayou, or scale the 40-foot-tall observation tower for panoramic views of 5 bodies of water and 4 counties. Savor our flavor, from surf to turf. Local fisheries and farms offer a cornucopia of fresh fish, seafood, produce, and dairy, and many provide behind-the-scenes tours. Sample traditional and whole fruit wines at Bunker Hill Vineyard and Winery. Or, for something sweeter, visit Dakin Dairy Farms for a cold one. Milk or ice cream, that is. Finally, discover the area's unique animal attractions. Free seasonal performances of Herman's Lipizzan Stallions in Mayaca City or Paradise Ranch, home to the famous Weld family bears featured in circuses and movies since the 1940s.